ni huriha umarigami humpalan ekashigam bago ta ufadda fawa programe.
Asia Forwarding Private Limited presents The Smartest Trio. Gift partner L Mobile.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all my old friends watching from far and near. And yes, I am back, and this time I'm on a different stage and it feels so nostalgic to be back here. But we are here for the third, the most exciting season of The Smartest Trio yet. Well, you know how this works, right? You've seen the seasons before. We get teams of 3 on stage with us here. There'll be 4 teams on each episode, and they will be asked questions based on the 6 main subjects that we've chosen, which is English, history, mathematics, science, general knowledge, and geography, right? But the main difference this time, and I think it's going to be a lot more fun this way as well, is that this time the trios would be consisting of kids of the same age, all of them, with no adults joining them, right? So this time we will be sure of who the actual smartest trio is going to be. Now, how this works this time is that we've got 4 episodes where we have new teams coming up and they'll be going against each other. We'll be asking them questions. There'll be new puzzles, new games, and new ways to rack up points, and we'll be choosing the team that goes ahead to the finale, which would be the 5th episode. So we get 4 teams now, and by the end of it we'll have 4 teams left standing. So now let's welcome the teams.
Hi, I'm Noor bin Muhammad. I study at Salahuddin School. I'm in grade 6.
My name is Aishat Ina bint Yasir. I also study in Salahuddin School in grade 6.
Hi, I'm Ali Miwan Muhammad, and just like them, I'm in Salahuddin School and I study in grade 6.
And we are 3 kids, 1 brain cell.
My name is Yusuf Shan Shafi Abdullah. I'm 13 years old and I learn in Rehanli School.
My name is Mian Ali Ibrahim. I'm 13 years old and I study in Rehanli School.
My name is Yuan Yusuf Nizam and I'm 12 years old. I study at Huravi School. And we are Triple Threat.
My name is Muhammad Karan Fazil. I am in Ghiasuddin International School.
My name is Yusuf Nuzlan Shafiq. I'm also studying Ghiasuddin International School, grade 8.
My name is Zukain Abdullah Hanif. I'm also studying Ghiasuddin International School in grade 8.
And our team name is the Triumphant Trio.
Hi, my name is Aileen. I'm 13 years old and I'm also from Huravi School.
My name is Yusuf. I'm 12 years old and I'm from Ghiasuddin School.
Hi, my name is Malak. I'm 13 years old and I'm from Huravi School.
We are cousins and we are still thinking.
Exciting intros for all of the teams, and I think I want to get to know them just a little bit more. Let's start with the Triumphant Trio. Now, I feel like this name here, isn't it a little preemptive? Have you already won the game that you're participating in?
No.
So, who do you think is going to be leading the team here?
Zuhair.
I love how they can't even agree on this, and there's a majority vote here. And all right, and now we have 3 kids, 1 brain cell. I don't want to ask who came up with the name. So you are 3 kids, 1 brain cell. Where is the brain cell? That should be your 4th teammate, right?
No, this is our brain cell. Our brain cell resides in his head.
Oh, I see. So like this is the 3 kids and that is the brain cell on top.
Yes. Yeah.
Right, like, well, I don't want everybody else to get any ideas. You might not have an advantage over them, right? Okay, so I think I'm gonna go and check on the next team. Is it buffering? Are we waiting for the name to show up, or are you guys still thinking?
We're actually still thinking.
You are actually still thinking, and I like how, you know, with this team, at least they do what their name implies. You know, like we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay. So who came up with this name?
It was a team effort.
It was a team effort.
Yeah.
I want everybody else to see something about these guys that might give you an idea of the strengths of this team. Let's check them out. Let's check them out.
Oh, I am your host for today. My name is Yusuf, and today I will be proving which one is smart and which one is not as smart. As you can see, this one is standing very postured and in a smart way, so it is very smart. But this one, as you can see, is very nervous and is about to laugh. This means that it is not as smart as this one, and I am the smartest of all of them.
No. You're gonna see that on the show. He's the host now.
He's the host now.
Yeah.
Is that how it works, guys?
Yes.
Is that how it works, my friend? Well, he's the host for their team, but that gave you an idea of what you're up against. All right, so I feel like that was a little self-explanatory, but I think these are powerful contenders moving forward. Let us go to the triple threat. Am I the only one who sees that you guys have triple A, like double A-N at the end of your name, and you went with triple threat? How are you feeling about this? Are you feeling hopeful? Are you ready for this, for the challenge?
Yes.
Feeling hungry? All right, yeah. Are you hungry to win?
Yes. Yes.
All right, and I think it is about time to go to the first round, Smartest Trio. So, how the card quest works is that each team will get to pick 2 cards. You'll be seeing 10 cards on the screen, right? And each card will contain a MCQ question, which are from these 6 subjects, which are English, history, mathematics, general knowledge, geography, and science. If the team gives a correct answer within 30 seconds, you earn 10 points. So you have the option of earning 20 points in this round. Are you guys ready? All right. So we're going to be starting with Still Thinking. Are you guys ready?
Yeah. We pick 1.
You pick 1?
Yeah.
So you're picking card number 1. Let's see what the question is behind card number 1. And the subject you get is English. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go for it.
We're ready.
Question is, which of the following is the correct superlative form of angry? Option 1 is more angry. 2 is angrier. C is angriest. What do you guys choose?
C.
C. And the option that you've chosen is C. Are you sure with that? You're locking it down?
Yes.
Can we see which one is the correct one? And it is. Well done. I feel like that might have been off to a very easy start for you guys. Congratulations, 10 points to Still Thinking. The next team on the line is Triple Threat. Are you guys ready? Yes. Okay, so what card do you choose?
6.
6. All right. Science. So I feel like you guys have been looking forward to a science question. Yeah? And so the question is, Jill wanted to do a science project on mammals. She had to choose one mammal to research. Which of the following did she choose? A is seal, B is shark, and C is sea snake. So which mammal did she choose?
A.
Or A? You're going with A, right? Seal, and can you tell me why?
Because it's a mammal.
Because it's a mammal, all right. And for the benefit of all of our viewers who have been biting their nails and waiting for the answer as well, the answer is A. Because you're right, it is a mammal. Congratulations, you guys also get 10 points. And now, 3 kids with 1 brain cell. Are you guys ready to choose a card?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, let's have the cards on board. And what number do you go with?
Number 10.
Number 10. All right, feeling a little ambitious, are we? We're going all the way down to 10, and let's see what subject we get with 10. This is one of my personal favorites. This is geography. Are you guys ready? Are you well traveled? Have you gone around and stuff?
Yep.
Okay, with that confidence, let's go with the question. The question is, which continent has the highest number of countries? A, Asia, B, Africa, or C, Europe?
The answer is B, Africa.
We select B.
You select B? Oh, wow. The timer has barely even started and you have selected B. Okay, you're so sure about it.
Yes, you know.
Can you tell me? Like, not the names of the country, but the number?
54.
Africa has 54 countries.
54 countries, okay. I mean, I think that already takes the cake. Is the correct answer B, Africa? Because it is. I mean, I would congratulate you, but I feel like you guys were made for that question. That was so fast. Well done. The triumphant trio. We're going to start off with the numbered cards. Which one do you choose?
7.
Number 7?
Yes.
All right, we have 7. It's history. All right. So the question is, which astronaut, as part of the Apollo 11 mission, became the first human to set foot on the moon in 1969, delivering the famous words, "That's one small step for man and one giant leap for mankind"? The options are A, Buzz Aldrin, B, Neil Armstrong, or C, Yuri Gagarin.
B.
B? Neil Armstrong. You're very sure?
Yes.
Yeah, you're very strong with that answer. All right, let's see if that is the correct answer. And the correct answer is B. Neil Armstrong was the one who said that. However, fun fact: who else was on the same flight?
Buzz Aldrin.
Buzz Aldrin. That is true. All right, still thinking. You guys ready for the next round? Are you ready to snatch another 10 points?
Well, we
All
lost
right,
in
let's have the cards on board. What number do you choose this time?
9.
9. Did you mean to say you don't choose a card or you choose number 9?
I choose number 9.
All right, let's go with number 9. And what subject is going to be under number 9? Geography, once again. And the question, are you guys ready for the question?
Yes.
The question is, what percentage of Earth's surface is covered by water?
B.
Considering, it's B.
Yes.
All right, considering that the total area of oceans, seas, and other bodies of water. So there are two answers that look very close. It looks like 71 and 75 might be a trick there. You're very sure that it's 71%?
I'm 100% sure.
100%. 100% on the 71%. And the correct answer is 71. Congratulations. I feel like you're getting very... you guys have been preparing for these questions, haven't you? Yeah.
We studied day and night.
Now we're going on to the triple threat. Are you guys ready for your selection of cards?
Yes.
Let's see if you can nail the next 10 points as well. Which number do you go for this time?
2.
2. All right. Let us see what subject is under card number 2. Mathematics. All right. Okay, I see. I see them preparing themselves mentally as well. What is going to be the question? The question is, out of these 3, the only prime number is 2, 4, or 6?
A.
The prime number is A.
A2.
2. All right. I mean, that is if you said 2, I might have gone with, oh my God, the time is running already. Okay, so the correct answer, you chose 2, right? As in option A, 2. Correct answer is 2. Let's choose your card.
Number 8.
General knowledge. Do you think this makes it easier or harder?
Harder. There's so much about general knowledge.
There is. So the question for you guys is, which of these is the largest ocean on the planet Earth? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, or the Pacific Ocean?
So, the answer is the Pacific Ocean.
The Pacific Ocean?
Yes.
The answer is correct. Well done. Okay, so fun fact, if you look at the globe from the side of Antarctica, it's all one ocean. where the triumphant trio have a chance to earn another 10 points. Are you guys ready?
Yes. Yes.
All right, let us choose a card for you. What is the number that you would like to see?
4.
Number 4. And the subject under number 4. I think you guys might like this one. Let's see. It's English.
Let's see.
All right. So the question is, which sentence contains a simile?
A.
She was as fast as lightning. He is a roaring lion in battle. Or she is a shining star. And you went with A already. You've chosen it. You locked it down. A, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see if that is the correct answer. It was. Now, can you tell me why that was the correct answer?
Because like as fast as.
That is true. That is true. Well done. And that is, my friends, how you can tell. Yes, the other ones were descriptions as well, right? But this said as fast as. Quick catch. All right. So now we've come to the end of a very, very successful first round. On Card Quest, we had all of you answer all of your questions correctly. And now we're moving on to the next round of the Smartest Trio, Boxed Brilliance.
Asia Forwarding Private Limited presents The Smartest Trio. Gift partner, L Mobile.
From the world to the Maldives. One High Shipping Lines.
Welcome back. And this is the second round of the Smartest Trio, where we have Boxed Brilliance. Now, how this round works is very interesting because I went through it earlier, but in this round, we will show all you guys 4 boxes labeled 1 to 4. Now, you get to choose one box, okay? And when it is flipped, a question will appear inside the box. These are all brain teasers. Each box contains one question and the group will have 1 minute to answer. So this isn't like just a snapshot an answer, right? You guys gotta think about it, okay? And you will earn 15 points if you get it right. Are you guys ready? So we will start with them again, with still thinking. So let us see the boxes and see what you choose. Which one do you go with?
3.
Number 3, box number 3. And now we're gonna go and see what is under box number 3. The question is, how many squares are there? And your time starts now. If you guys are working on this, they might see hints. As they're working, I noticed that one of them is working very Time is going. You've got 18 seconds left. Now we count it down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
28.
2, 1. The correct answer is 40. Yeah. It was a good attempt, but it was a little bit of a brain teaser. You had to think outside the box, right? So now we're going to go with triple threat. What is the box that you would like to flip over? Number 2? Okay, box number 2. They've chosen it. Let's go and see what they do. Very similar, but in this question, the question is, how many triangles are there? And your time starts now. mean, you guys, are you doing mental mathematics here? I mean, you can discuss it. No, I'll let the triple threat handle it the way they'd like. Everybody else seems to be pointing fingers and calculating as well. Ten, 9, 8, 7. You guys can give me 44? 44. All right. You're locking down with 44?
46.
No, time was up when you said 44. But are you changing the answer? No. Okay. Let's just say
46.
46? All right. So the answer that you guys gave was 46, right? You locked it down. Congratulations, you got it wrong. Because you got it right the first time with 44. Second guessing might be your Achilles heel in this competition, all right? You guys got it right on the first go, and that's why I asked you, are you sure? But then you changed your answer, and I'm like, okay. So now we're gonna move on to the next two teams. You guys have the options of 2 more boxes left. Remember, this is all based on luck, so even if 1 box is left for the team remaining, that doesn't change the fact that this is a challenge. So, with the 1 brain cell of 3 kids, what is the box that you'd like to go for?
Number 4.
Number 4. Did we? Yeah, let's go with number 4. Let's flip number 4. This is a very interesting question. Which is the top view? You're getting a 3-dimensional view of this. Your time started already. What do you think is the top wheel? It does seem like it. But that's what it is. You guys have 40 seconds left.
The answer we decided on is C.
Wow, you guys have 24 seconds left. Do I let the clock run out, or are you done? Are you decided?
Let's wait until the first second.
You're gonna...
Can we?
You're gonna stay until the next 15 seconds are up.
Sure, can we?
You can,
Okay.
but do you change your answer?
No, we want.
You want?
Yeah, we just want to wait.
I hear some disagreement. There's 5 seconds left.
It's C.
It's C? You're done?
Yep, it's C.
All right, the correct answer is C.
Yeah.
Okay, so congratulations. 3 kids, 1 brain cell, and 15 points. So that puts you ahead in this round so far. Do you think the triumphant trio with the remaining box would have as good luck as you did?
Probably, most likely.
All right, so the only option left for you guys. Oh, really? Okay, let's go with 1. Let's flip box number 1 and see what's underneath. So what comes next in this pattern?
Yellow
Oh, very
bottom
Mensa
corner.
questions, right?
Red top right, my band.
Your time's already started and you've got 50 seconds left.
Some green position because yellow red isn't in the bottom left of the square.
I love the amount of discussion that we're having. Is that yours?
Yeah, it's there. Wait.
Time's running out. You guys have 21 seconds. 20 now. Have you decided? Oh, I get a Two, 1, and 0. The correct answer, like you guys all got it, is A. Well done. All right, that gives you a triumphant 15 points ahead as well. So that was a very challenging and at the same time very lucky, unlucky sort of round. But the next round I think is going to be slightly different because the next round is spin and solve. So this next round is called the spin and solve. Now, the thing is, I've spun myself around with these guys earlier, and then we came up with numbers for all of them. They've chosen amongst themselves numbers like for each of their teams. Still Thinking went with 1, Triple Threat went with 2, 3 Kids, 1 Brain Cell equals 4, and then the Triumphant 3, right? So we've already decided that, and that is in the order that we will go as well with the questions. So in this round, what happens is each team gets 3 questions, and each of the questions has to be answered by each of the teammates individually. Now, you get 10 points if you answer the question on your own, but you will get 5 points if someone in your team helps you out. So this is where everybody needs to really concentrate and not blurt out the answer, because it might make you lose points for your team. Are you guys ready? So, for this, with a random factor based on 1, we will be spinning to see the subject that you get. So, are you guys ready? Let us start with the spin. Can they solve it? Where would it start? You guys got science. And with the disappointment and the banging of tables, we shall now start with your team. Are you guys ready? Eileen? Or is it Eileen? Eileen, right? Eileen, Yusuf, and Malak. So, if you're ready, let us begin. The question 1 under science goes to Eileen. The eggs of a butterfly change into a caterpillar, which then become into a pupa. A beautiful adult butterfly emerges from the pupa. Now, which characteristic of living things did I just describe? What is the characteristic?
Growth.
Growth? And you're locking that down?
Yes.
That is the correct answer. Yusuf, are you ready for your question?
I'm still thinking about it, but sure.
Nice, but sure. Tina kept a cup of water in the sun and went back inside the house. She came out after some time and found no water in the cup. What happened to the water? And explain the change in the state of matter described in the situation. Time starts now.
The water has evaporated, and the process is from liquid to gas.
All right, so you lock that down?
Yeah.
Evaporation, and it was liquid turning into gas, and your answer is correct. Well done. Another 10 points for you guys. All right, Malak, are we ready for your question? A student was asked to show the properties of solids and liquids. She put a block of wood into a tray and poured some water into another identical tray. Which property of solids and liquids is she trying to explain?
That liquids take any shape of the container it's put in, and the solids has its own shape.
Is that your answer?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, that was the correct answer. You guys have 30 points, and you are still moving on. Well done, guys. So, are you guys ready to spin? Let us spin and see what you get. And in poetic justice and the luck of still thinking, Triple Threat has gotten math as their options. Okay, so your question, you ready for it? Which shape has 6 sides and 6 angles and its opposite sides are equal? "25 seconds. The name itself has a clue in it. 6 shapes, 6 sides and 6 angles. If you're caught on camera, and you're getting team help,
Hexagon.
okay. Sorry?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. So, with your team's help, you have chosen the answer hexagon, right? That was correct, but what does that mean? You guys get 5 points for that, okay? That is fair, that is fair. You still didn't lose out on the points you could have gotten. So now, Shaya, let's go with question number 2. Are you ready? State the prime numbers between 20 and 30.
prime numbers between 20 and 30.
Yeah.
23.
That's one option, okay. You have 10 seconds.
29.
All right. Are you completing the answer there?
Yeah.
So 23 and 29. The answer is correct. Well done. I mean, if someone asked me that, I would just walk away because, oh my, that's prime numbers. He just figured it out, just standing right there. Well done. So that's 10 points for you guys, 15 so far. Are we ready, Mian, for your question? Number 3. Laila is planning a party and wants to serve jelly beans. Each pack of jelly beans costs 20 rupiah. If Laila has a budget of 500, how many packs of jelly beans can she purchase? Is that your answer? And the answer is correct. We didn't even get to 25 seconds remaining. Well done. Are you guys ready to spin and see what you guys get?
Yes.
Yusuf has suggested that it could be English. What do you guys think? And now let us spin and see.
English is different. Possibility.
According to Yusuf's calculations and the random spin, you guys have landed on English. I don't know if I sympathize with you or if I should celebrate with you. Kayan, you ready to go first? Remember, if you ask anybody, you will lose 5 points, right? So 10 points if you answer yourself. Okay? So your question is, as the teacher entered the classroom, she muttered under her breath, "This class is like a 3-ring circus." Now, which figure of speech is used in this sentence?
Simile.
Yeah, the answer is correct. I mean, of course it is, because you were lucky enough to get that with the boxes.
Yeah.
Putting, you got a simile back then as well. Congrats. You get 10 points. He's still thinking about it. Okay, so let's go with question number 2, and that's for you, Juzlan. Sarah decided to invest in a new stock. She started planning what to buy with the profits before even seeing any return on her investment. Which proverb would be a good piece of advice for Sarah?
I'll ask.
You'll ask? Okay. So that was a discussion there? All right, the discussion is still going on.
A journey of 1,000 steps starts with a single step.
All right. So a journey of 1,000 steps for Sarah must have begun with the first step. Now, for the benefit of everyone watching as well, I'm just going to repeat the question. The answer is locked in. All right. She planned to buy. She started to plan what to buy with the profits before she even saw any return on investment.
I know, Coach.
So this was, don't count your chickens before they hatch. Fill in the blanks.
Okay.
The little boy was amazed to see the dash of army ships from such a close distance.
Can I ask?
You sure? Okay, ask away.
A bunch of sheep hatching and it's a bunch of
Fleet.
army of sheep.
Fleet. And that lands you 5 points. All right. 3 kids, 1 brain cell. Number 4 was your number of choice. Let us see what are the questions you get. What subject you get? If you were to locate mountains and rivers on a map, what type of map would you use?
I would use a geographical map.
A geographical map?
Yeah.
So you caught with geography. He said it too many times. Geographical was the wrong answer. I am very sorry. Physical is the correct answer. All right. So let us move on to the next question. Are you ready, Ina?
Yeah.
So the next question is, which continent is known for having the Andes mountain range?
The Andes mountain range. Is it
7 continents. Time's running.
South America?
South America? Are you locking down that answer?
Yeah.
All right? So you don't want to ask anybody as well, right? You locked down? Correct answer. That was 10 points for you, Ina. The answer is South America, the Andes Mountains. Congratulations. So it's again about a type of map, right? Just slightly different. What type of map shows national and state boundaries? No.
Can I ask?
Yes, you may.
Political.
All right,
I
you
will say
asked.
political map.
Your answer was political?
Yes.
Yeah, political maps. And your answer is correct. But because you asked, that gives you 5 and 10, so you guys get a total of 15 for this round. 15 for you guys as well, right? 30 for you and 25 for you guys, right?
How much did we get?
All right, so that was a very, very fun
We three are.
third round. So congratulations on the points you have gathered so far. We are now about to go into round 4, and this is where things get a little interesting because it's time for Puzzle Panic.
Asia Forwarding Private Limited presents The Smartest Trio. Gift partner, L Mobile.
From the world to the Maldives. One High Shipping Lines.
Asia Forwarding Private Limited presents The Smartest Trio. Gift partner, L Mobile.
Welcome back to The Smartest Trio. This is the first episode, and we've made it all the way to round number 4. Round number 4 is Puzzle Panic. Now, obviously, I'm not asking you guys to panic as you guys are doing this puzzle, but that implies that there is a time limit. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about this game. Now, 4 color cards will be shown on the screen, and you guys get to choose which card you want, and the card is assigned to a type of puzzle. There are 4 types of puzzles as well. We will describe that later. All of that will be done physically. So we'll be putting up the puzzles on stage for you guys to complete it. You guys all get 5 minutes to complete the challenge. But we will be going 2 by 2 in a way. All right? Because 2 teams will compete and get each puzzle done, and we will see who manages to complete it. All right? So you guys ready? One thing though, whoever manages to complete it gets 30 points. So let's put up the color cards and see what we get. So these are the colors you have right now that are on screen. You've got red, blue, green, and yellow. Now they are all assigned, like I said, to certain puzzles. All right, let's go with the Triumphant Trio. We've been going around with them. Triumphant Trio, which color do you choose first?
Red.
Red. All right, so let me tell you what is under the red color card. You guys get a number puzzle. Ooh. Okay, don't worry, all this is physically done, so it doesn't mean you're going to be having to do a whole Fibonacci sequence of numbers to get the answer already, okay? So, 3 kids, 1 brain cell. What do you choose? What color?
Green.
Green.
Green. All right, green. The green color card has a square puzzle. Okay? We're gonna go with triple threat. What color card do you choose?
Blue.
Blue.
Actually,
That would be a maze puzzle.
oh no.
Okay?
I'm going with yellow instead.
That sounds like a very good idea. Like you didn't choose yellow before.
Yeah, exactly.
So this time with this yellow, you will be getting a triangle puzzle. So since we want you guys, everybody who's watching, to take part in this in a way as well, we're gonna do each two teams at a time, right? We're gonna start with Triumphant Trio and 3 kids, 1 brain cell. You guys will be doing your puzzles with the same clock, obviously, and the 5 minutes will be counting down. Now, what did you get? You got the number puzzle, right?
Yes.
You guys got the square puzzle. you guys got the maze puzzle and you got the triangle puzzle. Now, let me tell you, all of this is done on a board. So the point is, all of the shapes need to fit onto the board. So that is the biggest clue you're gonna get. Are you guys ready?
Yeah. Yes.
So let us go for Puzzle Panic. Now we're back. Welcome back. This is the fourth round. This is Puzzle Panic. Now we've taken a moment to get the puzzles on board while the teams were panicking amongst themselves. Now, you guys went with the square puzzle. You went with the number puzzle. So this is the number puzzle. Please take your positions here. And you guys as well, take your positions there. Now, the whole point of this game, the whole point of this challenge is to make all of these shapes fit into this frame, right? These are numbers here, the numbers are here, and this is a square puzzle, like pieces that should come together. And so, you guys get 5 minutes to complete this. Are you ready?
Yes.
And your time starts now.
The strongest person in the entire
Even if it doesn't fit, not all squares. Out before. So everything had been in place and we just guys got 50 seconds.
Time's up.
Time is up.
But there's 1 more minute.
Take your hands
There
off the
isn't.
board. The time is up. And please return to your tables.
Wait, can I check
Does
something?
this count? No, though.
We know I can.
And that was a very grueling and panicky first two puzzles that we just finished. And I think without any further ado, we should go into the next two puzzles for still thinking and triple threat. You guys ready? You guys have the triangle puzzle and you guys have the maze puzzle, right? So here's the maze. Let's get there. And then you guys as well move to your triangle puzzle. So remember, the tiny triangle here will fit there somewhere. And for you guys, you don't have to fill all the gaps either. You know, that's just a little bit of a hint I have to give you guys. All right, you guys ready? Try not to block the camera, and your time starts now.
This one's stuck.
Maybe even like this. A little bit with the numbers thing as well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Put your hands away. So, I have a few notes that I would like to say about the two teams. First of all, from this team, I did tell you both a little bit about the puzzles of what needs to happen to it. And I did mention from the beginning that maybe it's not supposed to be all straight, but maybe it's supposed to be diagonal. That could have completed this puzzle, and this puzzle, I feel like there was a lot of discord amongst the teammates on who arranges everything, right? But sadly, no teams managed to complete their puzzles on time, which is both an advantage and a disadvantage to everyone moving forward, because right now, as per team points, nobody got that 30 points, right? Too bad. Let's go back to your tables. But don't worry, this was just a little bit of a brain teaser to give a team who managed to finish the puzzles leg up. But guys, still are neck and neck. And we're about to go into round 5, which is rapid fire. And yes, it is the buzzer round. This is the 5th round of the Smartest Trio. This is the first episode, and we've been having quite an exciting, adventurous episode so far. Now, in the last round, we had puzzles, and nobody managed to complete it. but let's see if they can, get through ahead in this next round. In the buzzer round, I'll be asking questions, obviously, and you guys will be pressing the buzzer when you want to answer, and I will know which team itself has pressed the buzzer. Now, if you press the buzzer while I am reciting the question, while I am telling you the question, then I will stop the question from there, and you will have to answer. Two things. Firstly, if you get your answers correct, you get 10 points. If you get an answer wrong or incomplete, you lose 5 points. And it's not from the points you're gaining in this round, it's the points you've gained so far. So there's a lot of pressure on them this round, guys. We've had fun and games so far, but are you guys ready?
Yes.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right, let's get some energy pumping, okay? So, first question is, which bird holds the record for the fastest land speed capable of running up to 70 kilometers per hour or 43 miles per hour? Answer is right. All right. 3 kids, 1 brain cell already nailed the answer. Question number 2. You started reading a book at 4:45 p.m. After completing 3 chapters, you checked the time and saw that it was 6:10 p.m. How long did you spend reading? Triple threat. Okay, are you guys... You're ready to give me the answer?
1 hour 25 minutes.
1 hour 25 minutes, and the answer is correct. Triple threat gets another point. All right. We're going to question number 3. As a bird soars through the sky, what type of energy is primarily at work?
Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy.
That is correct. That is kinetic energy. All right. Question number 4. You guys ready? A pack of chocolates is originally priced at 80 rupiah. During a sale, the price is reduced by 1/4 of its original cost. What is the sale price of the chocolate pack?
60 rupiah. 60 rupiah.
60 rupiah. All right, the answer is correct. Before Lionel Messi, which Argentine footballer was widely regarded as the greatest of all time? You guys have an answer?
Yes. Yeah. Maradona.
Can you say his full name?
Diego Maradona.
Diego Maradona. But that's okay. Let's go to the next question. What is the energy stored in food called? All right, triumphant trio. What is your answer this time?
Chemical energy.
Chemical energy is correct. Wow, you guys, I saw the excitement in going for the buzzer. All right, you guys. Next question. What energy transformation takes place in a television?
From
triumphant trio once again.
From potential energy to electrical energy.
The answer is wrong and you lose 5 points. So yes, 5 points cut from you guys because the answer is electrical into light and sound energy.
Oh my god.
You guys ready? We're nearly at the end. Which layer of Earth is composed mainly of iron and nickel? Triple threat. What is your answer?
The core.
The core.
Inner core and outer core.
Inner core and outer core. Okay, we will go with the first answer you gave, which was the core, right? Then you followed it up with inner core on one end and outer core on the other end. So we'll still go with the core. The answer is wrong because it's just the inner core. The outer core is also different. Inner core, outer core, mantle, and then the crust, right? That's what we have. So it's the inner core that is mainly composed of iron and nickel. It's all the way down there because it's very heavy metals. All right? Sorry, but the answer is incorrect because it wasn't complete. Okay? So let's go into the next question. You guys ready? How many surah or chapters are there in the Quran?
114.
114. Correct. What is the sum of the first 4 prime numbers? Okay, can you tell me the answer?
17.
17. The answer is correct, and that brings us to the close of this round. We will be collating the numbers and putting it up on the screen for you guys to see as well. But I think that was very tight, but it was a little bit lopsided to an extent, but I think And after much calculation, after much collation of numbers and going through all the answers that they have given us, we have finally come to the moment of truth. It's not two teams that were at the bottom, actually. They were not tied. So now we know. Let's talk about it. Let's say it is Triple Threat and Triumphant Trio that will go into the final showdown. Well done, guys. Well done. You've made it so far. Now to the other two teams, Still Thinking and Three Kids and a Brain Cell. I would like to say thank you so much for participating in this season of the Smartest Trio. You guys have put up quite a front. You have tried your best, and I really enjoyed interacting with you guys and also to hear all your answers as well. So now I would ask you to kindly please step off the stage. With only 6 participants, 2 teams, and hopefully a combined 2 brain cells between them, we have Triumphant Trio and Triple Threat facing it off for the final showdown.
Asia Forwarding Private Limited presents The Smartest Trio. Gift partner, L Mobile.
From the world to the Maldives. One High Shipping Lines.
Now we're in the final showdown, and as you all know, everybody who's been watching from near and far, the 2 teams that made it to the end are, funnily enough, named based on their numbers of people, like Triple Threat and Triumphant Trio. These are the 2 teams that have made it into the final showdown. Now, this is an interesting segment in a way, the final deciding part, right? Every time you answer a question correctly, you'll get a point for that. But all your scores have been reset. So each one of you will be getting 3 questions, and you will be stepping forward to answer for those questions. Once the question is completed, you have 5 seconds to answer. If you answer after 5 seconds, the answer would not be counted, and you cannot ask for help from your other teammates. Remember, if you guys are trying to guess the answers and they are trying to answer, you might be helping them instead. So keep that in mind and stay as quietly and as competitively as you can. As you guys ready for this?
Yes.
All right, so since the team that was leading the last time was the Triple Threat, I felt it would be fair for the first question to go for Triumphant Trio. You guys okay with that? All right, so we're going to start. We're going to start and we're going to get through this as fast as we can, because the first question, Kayan, would you like to step forward? Who was the first president of the United States of America, known for setting many precedents in the role?
George Washington.
George Washington, correct. Next question goes to you, Yuan. Which prominent figure said, "An eye for an eye will make the whole world blind"? 2. That was Mahatma Gandhi. Different iterations of this, but that's okay. And we're going with Juzlan for the third question. What kind of energy would an object have when it is held at a height before being released?
Potential energy.
Correct. Shayan. In a food chain with grass to grasshopper to bird, which consumer would be classified as a tertiary consumer, if any? 5.
An eagle?
In this, well, the answer is wrong, because I did mention in the food chain with grass, grasshopper and bird only. So there were no tertiary. Thank you though. And now, Zukain, let's go with your question. Mahi brought 2,500 grams of rice. Convert this into kilograms.
2.5 kilograms.
Correct. Mian, which is the largest coral reef system in the world?
The Maldivian coral reef.
The answer is wrong.
Yeah,
it is the
I
Great
don't know.
Barrier Reef in Australia. Kayan, are you ready? Which Egyptian city is home to the Great Pyramid of Giza?
Cairo.
Correct. Yuan, which continent ranks third in terms of population? Your time is up. It was Europe. And now Juzlan, who is famously known as the king of pop? Your time's up. Michael Jackson. Also, if you tell the answer, I will be deducting points. I heard whispering. So let's stay quiet and as committed as we can. So that was Juzlan, and then it's you, Cheyenne, right? Okay, Cheyenne, would you like to step forward? Which movie holds the record for the most Oscars won by a single film?
Boss Baby?
I don't think so, because it is Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King, with 11 Oscars. And now, Zukain, where does 60 to 70% of the world's fresh water come from?
From rivers and from lakes.
The answer is wrong, because it initially comes from the ice on Antarctica. And now, Mian. About how many languages are spoken in Asia, making it the continent with the most languages?
Over 2,100.
It was over 2,300 languages. Close, but no. And now back to you, Kayan. Which of the following is the shortest in length? 10 meters, 100 centimeters, or 1,000 kilometers?
100 centimeters.
Correct. And now, Yuan, which continent is home to the world's largest hot desert, the Sahara?
Africa.
Correct. And Juzlan, which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis?
Tomato.
Technically the leaves, but the answer was wrong. Okay, Cheyenne, what does a thermometer measure?
Temperature?
That is correct. Zukain, which word is an antonym for generous?
Greedy.
Correct. Mian, the last question of this show. Which energy transformation occurs in a battery-operated dancing and singing doll?
Electrical energy to kinetic energy.
Okay, so the answer was wrong. The correct answer is, since it was a battery-operated doll, chemical energy into kinetic and sound energy. And now we have come to the end of this showdown. We are going to be looking at the scores and letting you know who wins this first episode of The Smartest Trio. And after going through those scores, on the final round, I think everybody would see very clearly there was a clear winner who stepped forward. And this time I would ask for them to step forward. Triumphant Trio, you guys have won the first episode of The Smartest Trio, which means you guys are making it into the finale. You, Yuan, Cheyenne, and Mian, the triple arms, which I was hoping became the triple threat, you guys are the first runner-ups. Congratulations on making it this far. You guys have tried really hard, put up quite a fight. And now we've come to the end of the first episode of this third season of The Smartest Trio. I'm very happy to be here. It has been an absolute pleasure, and I hope that you guys are enjoying watching this as much as I'm enjoying hosting this for you. This has been the first episode, and I will see you on the second one. Thank you, guys.
ಬರಕಾತೆರೆ ರಮಲಾ ಮಹುಗೆ ಹೇ ಒದ್ಮಾತ ಹುನಿಯಾ ಟಿವಿ ಬಲ್ಲವಾ ಲೊಬತಿ ರೈತುನಂ ಅರಿಸ್ಕುರಂ
PSA